Hey there, this is Speak Crypto coming at you today to discuss the upcoming Bitcoin split and how you can work to analyze its effect on the altcoin marketplace. First off, Bitcoin has been making some really unprecedented gains the past few weeks, hitting over $7,000 recently. This is really interesting to see given the market speculation around a second split in Bitcoin. Many investors are wondering what will happen if the coin is further diversified. We have proponents talking about the benefits of working towards more streamlined transactions and plenty of critics going so far as to call Bitcoin a pyramid scheme and on the edge of imminent collapse. No doubt, the market is unpredictable. Even as I make this video, Bitcoin has gone down $500 today on November the 6th. But here's what we can derive from the upcoming split and some prospects on how the average crypto enthusiast can not only hedge their bets in the marketplace, but make some new insights on the way. First off, let's lay out crypto investments in a widely generalized sense. Let's call it a three-stage buy-in, where the first stage is comprised of insiders, trendsetters, and venture capitalists who are on the cutting edge. These are the folks that bought Bitcoin in 2009 through 2013 and placed a great bet that decentralized currency would increase in demand. Our second wave is institutions that buy into the currencies and technologies. Institutions like PayPal, major credit agencies, and world governments. In my opinion, this is where we are right now with Bitcoin. Should Bitcoin make the final leap into the third stage, it will mean a mass consumer buy-in, where it is a well-known and traded commodity. In the second stage, many consumers may be looking at a commodity as a good prospect, but they're waiting to see if the asset is a bubble or a long-term fixture that they can really have faith in. That being said, the next split in Bitcoin may have some weird effects on the crypto marketplace. Integrally, for an average consumer, this is technology that few understand. While blockchain is revolutionary in its accuracy and accountability, it's not something that the average investor is used to. This would mean that watching a market that fluctuates like Bitcoin does could be a really worrying prospect. Add to this a split in the technology, and I believe we may see a loss of faith in the coin, if only temporarily. Even though the split has nearly 85% of the miner and holding community behind it, this may put off a larger buy-in to Bitcoin. The irony here is that the split is happening due to more and more Bitcoin transactions and a need for multiple ledgers with competitive technology. Ultimately, we're probably going to see two things: a fall in Bitcoin price and investors hedging their currencies into long-standing contemporaries like Litecoin, Ethereum, Monero. This could also give a good opportunity to buy into Bitcoin if you're a little late in the game, as I suspect the price will likely recover after a post-fork dip. Case in point, PayPal has begun to accept Bitcoin, and this may give other large payment institutions that push they need to do the same. Like it or not, Bitcoin is here to stay. This is a good reason to think that it will only increase in its liquid value. The split is going to scare some new investors, but for the old school buyers, this presents yet another opportunity to beat mass buy-ins to the punch. Buying into other altcoins may also be a good move, as I'm forecasting a lot of diversified portfolios in the near future. Thanks a ton for listening, and I hope this has been helpful. Please like and subscribe, and feel free to let me know your own thoughts below. This is Speak Crypto signing off.